This week, when Saints go marching, how much pressure should you apply and for how long should you squeeze? It's always been important to get your grip right, just not this year.
So it was definitely different. I didn't have to worry about the whole handshake part. So usually that was a big point of how to properly shake a person's hand.
Senior Allison Cross has never missed the annual Accounting and Finance Career Fair hosted by Career Education and Professional Development. But this year, instead of walking into the fair, she was logging on.
It was definitely different for sure, but it was really easy to navigate the site on Career Saint, and all the employers were super open, and the process was quite seamless.
28 employers and nearly 150 students participated. Students would join queues similar to an in-person fair and then be connected one-on-one for a video chat, often with Siena alumni.
This event is very worthwhile. A lot of the firms want to hire Siena students because they have positive experiences hiring them in the past, and a lot of the alumni come back to recruit.
CEPD created a Zoom help desk and also monitored chat activity to track representatives online. They also provided a program with tips, sample questions, and employer bios, which included firms downstate.
The allure of the Big Apple down in New York City, that's really what I'm looking towards.
And for the future financial analyst, this was a big step toward Wall Street.
Just giving all the advice, the resume critique, the cover letter critique, Siena has just been giving me enough information and enough advice just to help me get there.
The coronavirus can survive on metal surfaces for days, and some campus buildings are labyrinths of metal door handles. But when these engineering and design students encounter a problem, they engineer a solution.
For engineers, this is like a golden opportunity to apply ourselves.
Dr. Kamyar Pashayu's students are designing an apparatus to eliminate surface contact when opening doors.
We also are trying to develop a stylus for it where you could hit the pin pads when you go shopping.
2 design teams submitted proposals which included project timelines and cost estimation. They're about halfway through a 12-step process and are now in the prototype testing phase.
That could even be angled a little bit more.
The devices are manufactured via a 3D printer, and they are on pace to produce large batches by the end of the semester. And finally, Dr. Chris Harbison's ornithology class recently took a field trip to see birds of prey in their natural habitat. To reciprocate, the birds of prey took a field trip to Siena. 3 owls, a falcon, and a red-tailed hawk visited Tent B. Most of the birds from Ford's Falconry are rescue animals, though some are used for falconry. Students got to learn how the sport works during this rare opportunity to see and hear these amazing creatures up close. Until next time, when Saints go marching.